Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the effects of particulate matter on health and environment. These are the contents of my presentation. Currently, we can realize that the level of particulate matter has been increased in Seoul. Then what exactly does particulate matter means? Particulate matter, which is also called PM, and particle pollution is a mixture of solid particles and liquid droplets found in the air. It includes dirt, dust, and smoke. Some of them are dark and large enough to be seen with our naked eye, and some are too small so they are only be detected by using an electron microscope. And this particulate matter harms the environment and body. Then why does PM harms our body? To be specific, small particle that is less than 10 micrometer in a diameter poses our greatest problem. The reason is that they can get deep into our lungs and even get into our bloodstreams. As a result, exposure to these particles can harm both lungs and heart. Numerous research have linked exposure of particulate matter to a variety of problems. First, it causes respiratory disease. The major risk factor of asthma is PM, which triggers a series of biological processes includes innate oxidative stress, immunity inflammation, and imbalance of T helper cells, autoposis, and autophagy. Secondly, particulate matter can cause heart disease. In the past 15 years, numerous studies have indicated that PM particle plays a significant role in cardiovascular disease. To elaborate, medical research proved that pollutants in the air can arouse heart attack, stroke, and irregular heart rhythms. Also, particulate matter can repress the capability of heart to pump blood. Last but not least, it is not a surprise that air pollution is related to lung cancer. In 2013, the International Agency for Research on Cancer have verified that air pollution can cause cancer. And one of the main carcinogenic substances is a tiny dust, which is particulate matter. The smallest particle, which is known as 2.5 PM and PM10, are linked to lung cancer caused by air pollution. Let's go to the next slide and see how particulate matter also influence the environment. First and foremost, PM also contributes to the acid rain and climate change. In other words, different ingredients of PM can have either warming effects or cooling effects. Moreover, the greenhouse effects is also contributed by PM. To be plain with you, particulate matter is a light-absorbing substance, and hence this contributes to the increase of the temperature. Furthermore, particle pollution affects the diversity of ecosystem. Ecosystems are usually impacted by air pollution. And as I mentioned before, acidification, which is caused by PM, influences the ability of ecosystem to provide ecosystem service, which includes the carbon cycling, nutrient cycling, and water provision on which human life is dependent. Ultimately, particulate matter gives a negative influence in ecosystem. As we now realize how particulate matter influence the environment and our body, therefore, we should get interest in how to solve this problem. One solution is participating in campaign. For example, We3 is a campaign to make a bond of sympathy for a reduction in PM. By participating in this campaign, people can know more about particle pollution and thus warn others about the severeness. In addition, to reduce personal health risk from particle pollution, there are several ways to keep our body safe. The most typical ways to prevent inhaling pollutants is by putting on a mask or staying indoors. Indeed, Environmental Protection Agency in numerous countries advise citizens to remain indoors or put on a mask in a high pollutant day. Furthermore, we must know the way to reduce particle pollution. We can decrease the level of particle pollution in two ways: by reducing vehicles' emission and increase fuel efficiency, and by reducing the amounts of particulate matter produced through the smoke. In a nutshell, since particulate matter gives a negative effects on both human body and environment, it is crucial for us to pay attention and get interest in this topic, and further participating in solving the problem. Thank you for listening.